everybody, I'm Eddie Dodgen with Cooking is Amazing. Thank you for watching. Have you ever wondered what to do with all those vegetables that you've got laying around? You're worried they may go bad. You've got some sitting in the refrigerator. You've got some sitting on the counter. Well, today we're going to create a dish that you're going to absolutely love. Stay tuned. Well, folks, thank you for watching. That's going to do it for this episode. I want to say thank you for all that you've done to support my channel, whether it's coming here and watching from Facebook or whether it's watching on YouTube through the links provided or coming through my website. I want you to also know that we now have a Pinterest webpage. So all these recipes that you're seeing, I'm going to have on my Pinterest board as well as on our website. So if you need them, you want them, you can go to one of those places. There'll be a link in the description below. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments section. And also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can get all the content as we put it out. Thank y'all for watching, and from my family to yours, God bless.